Hey guys, welcome back to another showcase. What is probably the most exciting showcase or the most long awaited showcase for our league admins. And it's a regrade feature. So I've been working with a lot of different league admins to try and understand how we can help solve regrade pain points, specifically the pain points around, hey, unfortunately, we need to change the number of teams in my grade, right? We can't do a direct swap. We have to change the number of teams. Maybe you're going up by one or down by one or more. And in those cases, unfortunately, we do have to regenerate the fixture, right? The number of teams have changed. So we can't maintain the current fixture pattern. We must change the fixture pattern if the number of slots in that grade is changing. Admins have complained, hey, those who are very fixture savvy will notice when we add another team to the fixture, that team just goes to the bottom of the seed. And you have no control to change that. So sometimes what can happen is teams can end up playing each other again within a round or within 2 rounds, which is a very undesirable outcome, or teams can end up getting extra buys and things like that, right? And these are things that we want to avoid. We want to continue to have a really, really fair fixture. So we wanted to give admins the ability to change that whilst also achieving really easily change it so they can still achieve the fair fixture whilst having full control, right? So I think what we've done here achieves both of those things. So let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and press regrade, select the grade that I'm after, and I just have a very simple example here, which is just one grade in this particular slot. And I'm going to add a team. So one thing to note is if you're doing a direct team swap, this functionality won't appear because you're not going to be changing the fixture. But if you are adding or removing, i.e. changing the number of teams in a grade, what you will see is this new banner appear where you can review seedings and fixture. When I select this button, a new modal will open up. And what I can see here is quite a lot going on. So to go through it from right to left, we have the original fixture. So this is the current fixture as is. So you can go ahead and review that and scroll through. And then you can also see what the new fixture is. So it's like, hey, this is now going to be your new fixture as a result of adding this team to the grade. And what will happen is, as it indicates here, there is going to be a highlight appear if you have a game or a buy repeating within 1 round or within 2 rounds. So I'm regrading from round 5, so is why there's no previous rounds here. So I scroll down to round 5, and I can see that luckily there's no games repeating in round 5. However, in round 6, I have a game repeating within 2 rounds. So D and E must have played each other in round 4. So if I scroll over here, yeah, that's what's happened. So D and E have played each other before. So the good news is I can do something about it. In this very first section here, I can review the team seedings and click and drag teams into different slots and view live what will be the intended fixture, what will be the new fixture. So I can see D&E is the problem child here, the problem team that I want to remove this unfairness. So I can just go ahead and swap the new team into one of these 2 new slots, and hopefully that will result in a fair fixture. So I'm going to go ahead and click new team, click and drag into a new seed slot, and boom, there you have it. And I can guarantee now there's no repeated games or buys. Well, there's no buys in this particular example, but there's no repeated teams now within 2 rounds, which is great. Look, if you wanted to continue playing, you can continue clicking and dragging. I'll try find another example here of issues. There we go. So A and C have played within 1 round, and B and D have played within 2 rounds. So at least this way, admins who truly know their fixtures very well and they know where teams are coming from and going to, they can tweak as they so desire. Once you're happy with your seedings, all you have to do is press confirm, and that's going to leave this unfair fixture here at the minute. I can press confirm, and you'll see that the new seed structure will appear here. I can't click or change it from this list because I might have lots of different grades happening at the same time. So you just do it individually for each grade that you're changing. You can go ahead and update all the grades in this list all at once, and then go ahead and press update changes, which will indeed commit the fixture change, regrade, and then you'll see the new fixture appear in your fixture list. I hope you guys enjoy this feature, and let us know if you have any feedback. One thing that we are considering doing is extending the round lookup based on the number of teams. So as the team size increases, you can see that that round check increase as well. So that is coming. Stay tuned.